Hello you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Lauren and I have some really great videos here on my channel. I like to do DIYs, how-tos, productive day in my life, Sunday resets, really just all of the things here to have an organized and productive life through all the chaos that's going on. I'm 26 years old and I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life. So let's figure it out together by hitting that subscribe button down below. Alright, so I am doing a new series here on my channel called Wedding on a Budget. Cody and I are getting married in Cancun in November, and we're having our reception party here at my parents' house, so we have a lot of fun DIY projects that we are going to be starting on. First and foremost, this one that you're watching here today, how we are going to be painting our own cornhole board. You wouldn't even say cork board, cornhole board. So we bought some just plain light color wood boards. I'll show you a photo of our inspiration here of what we are going off of. I think my mom found it on Pinterest or something like that. All the supplies will be linked below and I will show you guys here in a second what we are using to paint them. Let's just hop into the video and get on with how we're going to paint our cornhole boards. Let's do this. All right, here is our setup that we have. This is both of our cornhole boards that were purchased online in a light wood finish. I'll have the link below. We can't remember the exact name of where we got them. This is what the stencils and the template that we're kind of going to paint around. And then this board we haven't done anything to. So this one is gonna have a T for Thompson because that is Cody's last name. And then it's gonna have Lauren and then obviously the year. And so this one is going to be the groom's one and it's going to have a T with Cody Thompson and then established 2021 as well. This one's going to be the groom one, so it's going to be outlined in black and this one will be outlined in white. And so everything that we got is from Hobby Lobby. These are just a bunch, not this, these are stickers. We wanted the established 2021 to be in a different kind of font than these stencils, so we got these stickers and we figured we would put the stickers down and then trace them out. These are from Hobby Lobby. We have some stencils, so the smaller letters are like our lowercase for Thompson, and then this is the larger for the capital letter, and then also the cursive for our names. And then for paint, we're just using acrylic. This is white and black for the groom, and then obviously some paint brushes to do the painting. We have some tape that we're going to use to do the border around the board, as well as I want to say there's a line that goes here, right? And does the line go here as well? So it goes between right here, there's a line. And then this giant T, my mom actually cut out herself with paper. She just kind of is an artiste and cut it out herself, and then we'll just use the same one and do it on this board. We're just going to trace it. You'll see in a second the process, but yeah, that is all the supplies you'll need. I'll have everything linked below so you can go check out if you want to purchase them. I think that, how thick is the tape though?
It doesn't matter. Put that at the edge.
It's 1.5 inches thick.
So what I do is this, and you paint.
Oh yeah.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. Isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely.
got the borders painted. This one's black for Cody and the white one is for me. We gotta let those dry and then we will peel up the tape. But first we're trying to figure out how to do the trim on the holes for the white and black. So that is our current mission. All right, we ended up getting a bowl and just tracing around the edge of it, and so we can just paint that. In a little bit we're gonna peel up the tape because this edging is gonna be dry, and then we'll get the stencils ready for the names.
Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly.
All right, here's what they look like with the tape peeled up. Now we have this cutout of the giant T for Thompson that we're going to lay where we need it on the board, which is about probably right there. And then we're going to trace it with a pencil and we'll have to paint it like we did the circle, right? Just kind of freehand it. Yeah. And then we'll have to freehand it. Yeah.
Slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Feels like I've been gone for so long, for so long, for so long. Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down card feels so far, feels so far away. Away. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon.
All right, we both finished our T's on the board. Basically, we did it an inch down from the hole, and then there's 6.5 inches on both sides of the T to the ends. And now we're getting our stencils together and gonna line them up below to know what we want to paint.
Thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon. Thinking of you, thinking of you, skylines paint the night, spinning our favorite songs, holding you tight, moonlight burning bright, right on your hand-me-down card. I feel so far, feel so far tonight. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon. Thinking of you. of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way.
Alright, so here we have the setup for the line that we do right below the T. We just kind of figured out how thick we wanted it, and then it stops right where the letters are gonna be, and then there's gonna be another line directly underneath it. So we're kind of just doing measurements. Yeah, so it's about 1/2 inch, or maybe it was 1 inch right below the T, and then we just did it all the way across. We lined up the letter stencils all the way over, and then just taped it on both sides over where the name started and stopped, so we know how long the line should be. And then I know that probably didn't make sense whatsoever, but once I show you how it looks, then it'll make a little bit more sense.
Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon.
I just finished doing the establish, so my board is complete, and then this is Cody's board. My mom is still working on the establish on the bottom, but this is what they look like together. And then we have to find some kind of like sealant, like a clear glaze or a spray. I'm thinking like Podge that we're going to cover and put over it to keep them protected from the bean bags. All right, we brought the boards outside. It's been about a week. We got this Podge clear acrylic sealant, super high shine, and we are gonna spray this on here just to seal the boards. and keep them protected from when we throw the beanbags on top. So it's gonna be tougher.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
All right, I have sprayed both of the boards completely. Now we are going to let them sit for 24 hours and they will be good to go. All right, y'all, that is it on how we make the do-it-yourself cornhole boards, beanbag boards, whatever you call them. That is how we made them. Please leave your comments, questions below. We would love to answer that for you. I'll have all the information in the description box. If you do have any questions, hopefully it should be answered there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.